would disagree. Yeah. To get my way, I would run from her to him. It made me laugh just to comfort me. Yeah. Then finally made me do just what my mother said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left the daughter under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. Oh, if I could steal one final glance, one final one final dance with him, I'll play a song that will never ever end, 'cause I love to dance with my Father again. Oh, sometimes I listen outside her door, and I'll hear my mother cry for him. I'll pray for her even more than me. I'll pray for her even more for me. Oh, I know I'll pray for much too much. How could you send back the only man she loves? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my Father again. Say, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my Father again.
Thank you, Ben. Thank you for that request. What a beauty.